Today I am going to discuss about the histology of urinary system. We have already discussed about the histology of kidney. Today I am going to describe about the histological picture of ureter, which connects kidney with urinary bladder, and urinary bladder, which is a sac-like structure which stores urinary bladder, and when sufficient amounts of urine stored in urinary bladder, it will be evacuated through urethra. So this is ureter, about 25 centimeter long. It is a tubular structure and it has outer fibrous layer made up of collagen fiber and elastic fiber. Next to this is muscular layer, which has outer circular and inner longitudinal layer in its upper two-third part. Upper two-third of ureter has two layers of muscular coat, outer circular and inner longitudinal. In case of lower one-third, there is third layer, outer longitudinal, middle circular and inner longitudinal. The mucosa of ureter has folds, 4 or 5 folds, like this. Suppose that this is mucosa of ureter and it has longitudinal folds. So the lumen of ureter looks like a star socket. A star socket. The lining epithelium is transitional. And lamina propria is tough. Tough lamina propria gives extra strength, and due to folding of mucosa of ureter, there is prevention of reflux of urine through urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. The urinary bladder has outer fibrous layer, which is tough, made up of elastic fibers and collagen fiber, and upper part of urinary bladder has also a serosa. Next to fibrous layer, there is thick muscular layer, outer longitudinal. This is a transverse section of urinary bladder, outer longitudinal, middle circular and inner longitudinal. The muscular coat is very thick. The mucosa of urinary bladder has also transitional epithelium, and there is also folding in the mucosa of urinary bladder, which is called rugae. In case of mucosa of urinary bladder, which is folded, also called rugae. R-U-G-A-E. In the lower part of urinary bladder, at the neck, there is thickening of circular muscle fiber, which forms internal urethral sphincter. Internal urethral sphincter. From the base of urinary bladder, urethra starts, which is also a tubular structure. It crosses the prostate gland. So the part of urethra is prostatic. First is prostatic part of urethra. Prostatic. Second is membranous. Membranous part crosses the perineal diaphragm. Third part is cavernous part or penile part. I am discussing about the male urethra. The lining epithelium of prostatic urethra above the opening of ejaculatory duct is transitional epithelium, and the lining epithelium of membranous urethra is either stratified columnar or pseudo-stratified columnar, and cavernous or penile part of urethra has lining epithelium of either stratified columnar epithelium or pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium. The extreme part of urethra is lined by stratified squamous epithelium. There is presence of gland in the urethra, which is called urethral glands, which open in the cavernous part of urethra, and secretion is mucus in nature. In case of female urethra, the female urethra is very short, about 4 cm in length. Upper part is lined by transitional epithelium. Female urethra. Upper part of mucosa is lined by transitional, and majority of lower part is lined by either stratified columnar or pseudo-stratified columnar, and the extreme outer part is lined by stratified squamous non-keratinized. There are two types of gland in female urethra. One is urethral gland, as in male. The other is paraurethral gland. Paraurethral gland. Which is also called paraurethral gland of Skinny. Paraurethral gland of Skinny. Actually, this is homologous part of prostate in case of male. Now I am going to demonstrate about the slides of urinary system. This is the slide of ureter. You can see this is lumen, which is a star shape. This is mucosa. Mucosa, the lining epithelium of mucosa is transitional epithelium. This is muscular coat, and this is outer part is fibrous coat. This is also a slide of ureter. This is slide of ureter. This is mucosa, transitional. This is muscle layer or muscular coat, and this is fibrous layer. This is slide of urinary bladder. You can see the folding of mucosa. Folding of mucosa of urinary bladder is also called Rogi. There is thick muscle coat and also thick and loose lamina propria in case of urinary bladder. This is the slide of urethra. The lining epithelium is stratified, columnar. This is a prostatic urethra. You can see the lining epithelium is transitional. One thought is important, that transitional epithelium is also called urothelium. Urothelium. It is present in urinary system, so it is also called urothelium. That's all. Okay.